Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for BMW 1 Series, 2 Series, NBT system 2013 to 2017 years. Okay, let me introduce. You can check this front panel, 25-inch IPS touchscreen. This is right-hand drive, special for BMW. You can check this reset hole. This is right-hand drive. Okay. You can check this 1 Series, 2 Series NBT system, PX6 chip, RAM 4GB, ROM 32GB, 12 to 17 years. Okay, this is for USB, this is audio cable, this power, this GPS, and the factory BMW connector. Okay, let me show the harness. It comes with these two USB cable. These two USB cable and this connector connect to this position. Okay, make sure connect is real. This is for USB cable. This is audio cable. This is audio video cable. And this video out 1 and video out 2 are set up. And this DVI video input. This video input. This AUX input. Left and right AUX inputs, and this microphone. Okay, connect this position. Okay, back of head unit this position, and power. This small speaker come with the head unit, and this fuse box. This is BMW fuse box. Okay. This original plug. And this female plug and the connector. Okay, this wire rear camera input RC type, and this is camera 12 voltage, and this camera detect wire, trigger wire, detect wire. Okay, this is harness. And this connector connects to back of head unit, and on this position. On this position, power. Okay, it comes with GPS antenna. This GPS antenna. You need to use our GPS antenna. This AUX wire. Factory AUX wire. Okay. Let me connect power. On this position, connect to power. Okay. Let me power 12 voltage. Okay, you can check head unit start. Okay, this ID7 UI interface. ID7. This is no single unit connect to backup camera. Then it's no active. Okay, this navigation Bluetooth. You can open the Bluetooth. Pin number. And this music, this video. This original dashboard. It will show the oil and other factory information, speed. Okay. This taskbar, it supports Wi-Fi, its brightness, and sleep settings, mute, hotspot, Wi-Fi. It's already built-in Wi-Fi. You can check hotspot on, network, Wi-Fi, and storage 32 GB. System. You can change the language. Okay. About tablets, you can check this PX6 RK3399 chip and the Android 9 Pie system. Okay. Navigation settings, car information. It's for real backup camera. And all apps are here. It's built in Google Maps and Google Play Store. You can download the application from Google Play Store, DAB Plus, and easy connection for Mirrorlink. Support Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. Also support aftermarket TPMS. If you need TPMS, you can buy it from our website. Okay. This car information and settings. You can set the navigation, language, and the mode. You can add the language. Time. Audio, you can adjust the audio. Okay, settings. Track radar, rear camera type. It supports 360 camera, original camera, brightness. Okay. You can check system info. It's Android 9, RAM 4 GB, 32 GB. More settings. Factory setup 1314. Click OK. And you can change the UI interface. You can choose ID7 and you can choose the ID6 boot logo. This car type important. You can choose the right car type for your system. Okay. When you're back, it does not change the UI interface. You need to restart the head unit, then it will be changed. Let me restart. This is head unit for right hand drive. Okay, you can check it already changed the UI interface. Dashboard. Link apps, all apps are here. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact to us.